I found this white burlap at Walmart, and I'm going to cut it right down the center and get a large strip. You can also find this burlap also at Hobby Lobby. I found this little wood slice at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take some hot glue, and you're going to want a craft stick so you don't burn your fingers, and I'm going to be making pleats with this burlap strip going around the piece of wood. Once I got this to lay down, I then went to a blue burlap and did the same thing. Cut strips by going down the center, and I'm going to do the same process using the blue. I'm just putting some hot glue down and doing these pleats. I did grab my Bosch stapler and just backed it up with a couple staples just to ensure that my ribbon was not going to lift. I took my second strip of blue burlap and I went around one more time. I found this red checkered burlap ribbon at Hobby Lobby, and I found this pin cushion at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to wrap the pin cushion in the red and white burlap, again using some staples and some hot glue. And I'm going to glue this to the center of my burlap flower here that I'm creating. I found this piece of wood at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it in Republic Red. I found this basket wired storage bin here at the Dollar Tree. I happen to have this burlap bag that just worked out perfect, but you can use any burlap of your choice. I used a floral foam and put the stem of my flower into that foam. I cut off the burlap bag straps and wrapped it around just to kind of close it and finish it off. I then took some burlap ribbon that I had and tied it around my little basket here. And then I found this garland that had the USA little shape of America, and I'm going to glue it to the center of my bow here and have the garland loop around to the back side just as a strand decorative piece. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils. And don't forget our cutouts, chalkitupfancy.com.